Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at volatility. So what you want to do is basically go to terminal and use sudo apt search 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 volatility. I guess that's the pronunciation for that. And let's wait for it. So basically you want to install this, so it will automatically install all the tool, and you can do sudo apt get install volatility. So basically I have already installed it, so I don't have to worry about it. So if you want to follow along with this tutorial, you just have to follow that procedure. So if I do vola and let's hit enter, and I guess it's kind of checking the memory, right? So I just want to show you the help command, so before we are working on it. And while this is going on, so there are lots of ways that you can get benefited if you know how to check the memory. So let's begin. So here are a few things that I would like to talk about. So there are plugins and commands. So basically we are going to look at some of the API hooks, and so it gives a description, right? So it's very helpful. So what you want to achieve with it, so basically you are using this uh, to uh, to analyze the memory of any uh, virtual image. So let's begin. So I have a sample. So if I just do so uh, so if I just do if I show you my file, right? So right now I have this file, extension b virtual memory. And if I do just uh, volatility, then f, then and that file name, and after that what you want to do is to look at this command, right? So if I do this, and let's go up. So this is our command. This all is our command. So what I'm looking is image info, right? So from there we are getting knowledge of what uh, so we are getting knowledge of profile. And so let's do quit and image info. So let's hit enter, and so let's wait for it. It might take a little bit of time, so it's processing it. Okay, it's analyzing it. That's this is the profile. Profile is this win xp ps2 x86. After you have got that, so from that information we can just deduce. So we can do volatility f. So and okay, I have to be inside my download, then there is my test folder, so I need to be on this folder. And let's test it. So use volatility dash f and for file name. So this is our file name, and you can do list out all the process list. It will show all the process. Okay, then if we look at this, so here is our process ID, threads, so how many threads are running on, and our session and when it has started. So we have SMS as exe and crs. So similarly it has lots of systems are running on. So how can we detect? So question would be, how can we detect whether it's infected or not, so it's a malware or not, right? So that would be a question. So we can do, it would give a same output. So if I just include from previous, okay, that then you can do profile equal to, okay, I need double dash for that, profile equal to, so this is our profile, right? Profile name is WinXPPS2X86. So that's our profile name, and let's copy this and let's paste it, and you can do PS list. That would also give you the same format. So that's how you see what processes are running on. So basically you can see the net command also, so networking part portion too. Okay, so something isn't right. So what did I do wrong? Maybe, okay, here my spelling is wrong. That's all right. I can just uh, so this is just a typo error, right? So this happens a lot because I guess it's because of my typing. So okay, I can do profile equal to, and let's paste it, and PS list, and we just wait for a few second, and we can proceed to next one, right? Okay, it's a same output, or you can just check it. Here is our name, and this is our offset, and this is the starting point, and after that we can just check our, so there is a inbuilt command called, okay, I just need to scroll back. So I'm checking for net. Okay, let's go up, then n. So there is a command called net scan. So you can just check it like this. So if you go up, then you can just do net scan. Let's do enter. So this command doesn't support the profile. So this happens because when your malware uh, in malware your networking doesn't show because it is hidden inside it. So next one what we want to do is to see all the process. Simply we can do uh, psx view, so it will list all the process that has been running on. After that, so let's so here is our result. So here is process id, session, and desktop thread. So there are other, so there are ldrl module, 3 column will appear here. So let's do uh, ldr I forgot that ldr uh, modules. So it will show all the modules. So modu les, I guess les. So let's wait for it. So here there will be 3 column will appear here. The middle, in load, in initial, and in memory. So we have this, or I could do just less, right? I could show you like this. Let's wait for a few seconds. So like I was talking about, it shows the 3 portion: the middle, the initial load, in initial, and in memory. So if any of these are false, the modules has likely been injected, which is really bad thing. So on normal system, the grep statement above should return no output with process. So basically you want to be aware of it. So any of this is false, so this you need to consider this 3. So this first one is in load, then second one is in initial, and third one is in memory. So if there is any of these are false, then it's scary, right? So let's do grep false. So if you do with, okay, let's do with false. It does matter, right? Yeah, it's case sensitive. Okay, it doesn't show anything. So if I do just false, so basically the initial word is capitalized and other is just small. So here you can see uh, there are SMSSEXE. That means it has been injected with malicious code. So let's check another way. So we can do API hooks to view unexpected patches in standard system DLL. If we see instance where hooking module unknown, there is a really that's really bad. So you can do API hooks. API hooks. So this will take few minutes to run. So let's wait for a bit. So API hooks command can view all the patches. That's the thing. So let's wait. So let's wait. So next thing I would like to talk about is after there is a injected code, so we wanna take out it. So how can we do that? So question would be that, right? So there is a command called malware find. So I guess it's somewhere around. So if I go this side and let's look at other command, and where is that? So this command will help you to find a hidden injected code. And if we go up, so there is DLL list, prints all the list of loaded DLL file for each process. And let's see another. So so there is small, so we can debug. And so let's see another one. So it's taking way too longer. So this is a Windows image. Okay, let's wait a few more minutes. Okay, it's so now it shows all the, okay, let me just scroll up. So this is how you see the patch file. So it was injected around here, secure 32.dll seal message. So this is a assembly part. It goes through all very detailedly, so I won't go it too deep, right? So yeah, this content isn't meant to go that deep, so it just goes through overview only. So okay, that's aside. So next, like I was talking about, next we are gonna look at mal find. So here what I can do is use mal find command, right? Mal find command. So and I could use dash d for destination, and I can do is use home, use dummy, then what is my folder name? Downloads, then it's inside test folder. So this is the directory the file is going to be extract. And let's do one more thing. If we quit it, so if I do this ls, so these are all the files that has been extracted. So it has found all the file, so we can do more analysis. And the last, we can look at the DLL. So from here we can use the command. Okay, I am at here, and we can use DLL list to see all the DLL file that has been used. Okay, then so these are all the DLL files. So what we can do is we can specify the process ID, then we can dump that DLL file into directory. So let's do that, right? So if we do ps, okay, or info or something like that. So first of all, we need to know the process. Okay, I keep the ps list, that's my mistake, right? We can do ps process list. It shows the process ID. Then here what we can do is we have our profile, then we can do process ID equal to, so I want to find the dump all the DLL file, then I want to analyze after that, right? So I want, so this SMS, or you can do CSRS, so which seems to be suspicious. You can take that this and let's paste it over here, right? After that, you can use command DLL dump. Then it's your preference for this, so where you want to save it. So basically I want to do at my current folder, so I can use dummy, then it's on my download, then it's inside test. Okay, I need to mention, like, so this is gonna be my destination folder. So let's hit enter and let's wait for it. Okay, if we see over here, if we see over here, we got all the DLL file that is inside inside this process ID 3681. So after that, after getting this, we can analyze or check this file against virus total. That's the website. You can put it over there and try to scan it, and after that you can do more analysis. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys.